First of all, we will download this extension for After Effects, which is totally free, and the 16 packs also free. Okay, I will teach you everything from start to finish, so follow along with me. First of all, we will download this extension. You can also click over here to download. You can download for Windows, you can download for Macs, right? And here is some introduction of these tools. A user presents some tools, collection of free plugins and free templates, free packs, free templates, and also free scripts for After Effects. These plugins are compatible with After Effects CC 2015 to 2024. And here you can see starter pack VFX and sound effects are compatible with After Effects. With After Effects Premiere Pro CC 2022 to 2024, right? And here you can see this is a starter pack and it has 100 plus assets for your projects. Okay, it has liquid and shape elements, liquid transitions, slides for your slideshows, simple transitions, flat icons, and UI elements. Next is AE Use Export GIF. With this tool, now you can export your video as a GIF in just one click. Okay, it's very easy. So next is Neon Mind AI. This is new powerful AI plugin for After Effects. It has 20 plus AI models. It creates a prompt and you can animate in just one clip. And here you can read all of these instructions. Neon Mind is a smart After Effects tool for working with stable diffusion, opening unlimited horizons for your visuals ideas. Okay, you can generate images and videos right inside After Effects with the prompt, so it's now more easier for you. The next one is Voice over AI. Now you can also create voice with the text and you can change text to speech. It has 70 plus voices. What it does, voiceover, the tool that turns your text into captivating audio with over 70 plus natural sounds voices, right? Plus you can get 10 minutes free every month to experience its amazing capabilities. Okay, next is auto captions. Now you can generate unlimited caption with this tool. Okay, it will automatically create a dynamic subtitles with auto captions for After. The next is anti-static toolbox. What it does, and the anti-static toolbox is a free series of 25 powerful and flexible tools for After Effects. And with these 25 tools you can make your videos more engaging inside After Effects. So next is freelance textures. Now you have 4K resolutions textures money, just drag and drop. It's very easy to use. You can use all of these assets inside After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci and Filmora and much more. And here you can see. Next is sound effects, and it has limited sounds free for you. And here you can see it has 138 sound effects for motion graphics for video editors. And what kind of sound inside, here you can see click sounds, coin sounds, keyboards, whooshes and other sounds. And they have the different categories, and now they have updated this version and they have include some more sounds around. It has 150 sounds. Okay, if you are non-user of After Effects, you can also download these sound packs by clicking over here. This is good luck for you. So next is free Motion Cafe UI hood. Okay, and what it has inside, and here you can see this is the package. This is the part of starter pack. Inside starter pack you can see this Motion Cafe UI HUD. So next is toolbar. What it does, this toolbar is compatible with After Effects CC 2021 or higher. Okay, what it does, with this toolbar you can assign buttons, or commands, expressions, scripts or many more. Okay, this is very useful toolbar. So next is free starter pack VFX. Okay, it has 10 visual effects in 2K shot on red camera. Okay, if you need some 10 VFX starter pack free, you can download it from here. Okay, I will leave the link in the description below. The next one's money free 2.5D devices. You can download these 5 devices for After Effects. All popular models are available including money iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone 11, iPhone X, iPad Pro, Galaxy A50. All placeholders have pre-made dimension. Okay, you can use these pre-made devices inside After Effects to make your project more useful. Okay, now you can use these pre-made devices inside After Effects. So next one is free quick folders. What you can do with this? Quick folders former motion layers tools allows you to quickly navigate most often used folders, plugins, standard folders available in a single click. So you can use these quick folders for free. So next is free slide beginners collections, and now you can download these collections for slide animation. Now you can create under 2 minute slide animation. It will automatically resize all photos and aligns the animation with your music. This is very useful pack for beginners. Now you can create slides animations. So next is shifter. What it does? Use shifters when it helps to work with layers, shift in or out points by the exact number of frames, align layers or stagger them by selected patterns. Okay, all plugins on this page are totally free. You can download these. Okay, these are the packages which are totally free, you can download, and it has also some paid versions. You can also use them, and it has also some paid versions. You can, if you want some more interesting cool features, if you want some more packs, and they are all totally paid, you can buy them from here. I will leave the link all of them in the description below. And these are animation tools and plugins are compatible with After Effects, Premiere Pro, Final Cut, and here you can see some more softwares right now. So in the next video I will show you the After Effects, these plugins, how to download this and how to install it inside After Effects. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.